Go. Come on. Skylar. Come on. Oh my God.
Bianca's his arm is nice, the right arm.
I know, it's perfect. Oh my God. Can we turn him around and try one more time?
Want to go which way?
It doesn't matter. I don't even care. It does not matter.
I wish we could get this.
Come on.
Wait a minute, let's get this hand up too.
Come on, Skylar.
All right, go ahead.
Come on.
Go ahead.
Hold on.
I'm gonna let go.